Welcome to 100 Days of Skills and Certifications. It's a review program where I take a look at the last 100 certifications I've received by studying online and what I learned from the course. Okay, so today we are looking at how to get more customers using LinkedIn group. That's the certificate I'm looking at today. And this one is from the instructor called Hughes. And it was obtained on the 2nd of January. It's about 1.5 hours and it is very detailed. It opened my eyes to realize that LinkedIn is a very good platform that any business can use to acquire new customers if you can follow the laid down procedures and techniques described in this course. The full details of the course are available in the video description. I'd encourage you to check it out and also follow and subscribe to my channel and follow me online, such that you can keep up to date with my other reviews about the different certifications and things I have derived from them within the last 12 months. Thanks so very much for watching this review. Till we see again in the next video. Thank you.